Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a key ring, and what you need is a couple of beads, sellotape, key with a key ring, a string and a pin. So let's get started. Number one thing you should know is wherever you're doing a DIY with strings, use sellotape to secure the ends of your string. That way it's going to be easy for you to penetrate through to penetrate through wherever hole that you're dealing with. So what you want to do is hold your string in equal sides, then penetrate the ends into the hole. Here is when you need a pin to push the second bit of the string outwards. Then what you want to do is take the string and knot it on the key ring. Here is a knot that I don't know the name of this knot, but I'm pretty sure there's a name for it. So yeah, it's just taking it, looping it through and securing it. Just make sure it's very tight. It won't move in short. So then what you want to do is put through the rest of your beads, how it depends with how many beads you want to use. If you want your key holder longer, then use more rings. I did just use 3 rings. So now that you're done looping in your beads, what you want to do is secure the bottom part. I would regularly just tie 2 knots and that's it. But at this point I had a longer string, so what I did is I tied a couple of knots, like twisting them. I'll do one backwards, and you can see it in the video. So the more I did that, the more the string started looking like a macrame, which is just a double string macrame, I think, if that's the correct term. So what I did is I went on doing that to the end, and as you can see, doesn't that look beautiful? It looks like a macrame effect one. Anyway, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Please turn on your post notification. I'll be posting regularly. And thank you. Bye.